Spell out in Morse code to him. You suck.
So Miller, we're pretty much just following this road, mate.
That's cool then. Just give me a...
Oh, static.
You need to turn off, give me a little bell and I'll turn whatever route you want me there.
Oh, we'll give you a little bell. So will the enemy. He'll hear snaps. Maybe a bullet will enter your arm.
Okay, fair enough. That'll definitely let me know I'm supposed to turn off. Okay.
Quick tip, walls aren't go through.
Okay. No
Just-
worries.
Who else is that in red team? You're off the edge of my screen at the bottom, underneath Aiko.
It's probably me.
Is that Hallie?
Hello, booze.
Okay, ready to move out.
Oh, send me
Move out. Bones.
It is me.
Try moving out.
This is the fun beat. The unfun beat's back there.
Sigh.
Is this an Iron Man?
Do you want us Q speed or W speed?
Am I supposed to...
Oh, just go W speed, it's a bit quicker, isn't it?
Okay.
In Arma, I don't think there is a Q speed.
Is it not?
I think it's
Oh,
ship
okay.
speed.
Oh.
I think
There's
it's
W
just
and shit.
speed. I think it's just fast and then faster.
Just wanted to make sure I don't lose the fucking...
Don't break, dude. Just go right.
100 meter spacing doing it.
Okay.
I think we're basically cannon fodder here.
That's handy. Always nice to know.
Well, it's less stress being cannon fodder since we just have to die and then everyone else knows who to shoot at.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, that's the thing of the point now.
Pew pew. So who feels like a rousing chorus of 100 bottles of beer?
100 bottles of beer on. Beer.
Put one down, passing around. 99 bottles of beer on the wall.
Oh god.
99 beers. Bottles on the wall. 99
Watch.
beers to go.
Red truck, watch the left side of the road, we've had a spot here.
What did he say?
Yeah, roger that. Some enemy been spotted around this area, guys, so yeah.
It's 5 minutes ago now, but yeah, just to the left of the road.
Yeah, roger that.
I can tell this.
I don't know west side road sees. Oh.
Oh,
Contact
eyes on.
shit.
Contact front, northwest.
Go.
Dismount. Yeah, mate, we're already engaging. Rocks to the rear of the truck. Contacts now.
I didn't even fucking see them.
Oh fuck, it dropped them.
Under fire!
Oh,
Enemy
still
fire!
taking fire.
One left.
What direction?
Right, guys, getting back up. Oh, we got one unconscious.
Oh.
Okay, I've been hit.
Dear.
Hostile shots west also.
Over to the west of those trees there.
Are they all dead? Are they all dead, guys?
One contact remaining.
Engage the fucker.
Enemy fire!
Get some UGLs down on that.
Bandaging.
Contact believed to be through the tree line.
Enemy fire!
Get some more info, Hallie. You go ahead, Zero. Oh, we just got one strike left.
Guys, I've been hit.
Firing underslung.
What's your situation like, Bones?
Stand by.
Great, start putting some rounds through that tree line.
Yeah, I need
we got
some
another line
meds
of
in.
contact through the tree line, the evergreens, about 100 meters past that.
Yeah, we'll do.
I'm gonna pop some morphine in you, so don't do that.
Cheers, bud. Who's that over by the building?
On the building.
Yeah, see him going over there.
Green team, who's that over by the building?
No, never mind, it's Hollywood.
Who's... Oh, it's Hallie. Yo, Hallie, get back towards us a bit, mate.
Sorry, boss, I'm trying to get eyes on them.
You walk, Bones. You run, rather.
Not sure yet, mate.
Crossing, stop firing, blue please.
Should be able to. My legs were okay. Still bandaging.
I think they're all dead, guys. Let's mount back up as soon as we can.
Yeah, mate.
Yeah,
We're charging ammo now.
From where I was.
Yeah, I can run.
Yeah, guys, mount back up in the truck, same as before.
I'm going to get on the back again.
Wrong seat. There we go.
Red team all in?
Yeah, just
Red
go
team
forward
in.
about 10 meters. You see this tree line on the left? The one with
Guys, dismount again.
There's probably a bunch of
We're gonna walk the rest of the way.
Oh, brilliant. That was a fun drive, like, up the road.
Oh, taking fire.
Contact
Looking
right,
around.
Guys, fucking engage the bastards.
Oh, still.
I'm hit. Yeah, I'm hit as well.
Where's the contact?
Oh, who's hit? Hallie,
I'm
what'd you
hit,
say?
I'm healing myself.
Does anybody have eyes?
Contact right around the barn.
He's dead. Roger.
How do I pick up?
Can we go into these buildings?
Be down.
Bones, just confirm on your situation, you can still run, yeah?
That's true, yeah. I can.
Roger.
I'm all good, Rose, right?
Just make sure you don't need a medevac. Right guys, let's start forming back up on the... Fuck. Shots towards the northeast. Right, after we finish dealing with this contact, guys, we're going to form up on the road. We're going to be in staggered column. Red team, followed by blue team, followed by green team. I'm going to be with blue team. Smudge, you're going to be with green team, and Bones with red. We're going to, yeah, because there's three of us, we're going to follow.
He's right on the
behind
other
each
side
other.
of that trash can.
Northwest. Truck.
Dio's. Yeah, you got a truck northwest, northwest.
Roger, light, you get on that.
Shoot the wheels, shoot the wheels.
Stop in.
Lost visuals on the trees.
Hit it, hit bird.
Yeah, lost visual confirmation.
Wait. Okay.
I don't need to see it to know what happened there, guys.
Right, let's just hold here for a second, make sure the area is completely secure, then we're going to start moving. Make sure you've got your arts covered, we don't have anyone watching the east or the southeast. Right, can we have a sit rep for everyone? How the LSG's doing on ammo? Is anyone bad for medical? What's up? Nothing?
Dio's
Okay.
patching himself up.
Roger. Anyone else treating themselves right now?
Hallie, are you okay?
Sure.
Yeah, dude, I'm good.
Red team, you all alright?
Yeah, we're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, Roger's fine.
I'm just a
I fixed
bullet
myself,
sponge,
so
don't worry
it's
about me.
That truck was a surprise.
Yep, well, I got shot right in the fucking arm.
Right guys, let's start forming up on the road. Red team getting staggered column, followed by blue, followed by green. Staggered column, guys. Stagger like shit like it's a New Year's Eve party, come on. That was a really shit joke, I'm sorry guys.
Yeah, Eco, like Jesus Christ, dude.
Mallow, cross the road.
Thought you were better than this.
Mallow, stay there, mate. Stay there, stay there, stay there. Good.
Tim.
Yeah.
Roger.
Tim, drop back a bit, mate.
Take an E-red.
Guys, watch
Green set.
northeast. We just had reports of some targets coming in from there.
Shots. Shots, southeast.
South?
More south.
They're behind us, they're behind us. Just hold here guys, we got spot for it doing and move it.
Keep watching your arcs, guys. Roan and Tim, just push forward a bit up the road. Just tying up this staggered column. Okay, stop. Nice work.
Just keep all your eyes covered guys, if you're in the middle, be watching west and east, if you're at the front, make sure you're watching north.
I have a bad feeling a technical might roll up any second.
Yeah.
Smudge, you heard that from...
Aye, copy.
Yeah, good eye out.
We just moving back up.
Though, I haven't traced it.
Copy. Okay, green, move to the left of the road. Moving up the road.
Yeah, Smudge, you
Steve
guys
on the
that
lead.
building, paint grid down.
Aye. Steve up front. File.
So
Move
just
up.
hold here. Guys, if you're at the back of the formation, you should be watching behind us. If you're in the middle, be watching the sides. If you're up front, watching the front.
That's it. On you go, mate. Head towards that house to the left.
Good example of how to hold a 360 while in a formation.
Steve, you head south up the road, mate. Sorry. That's it. Head to those trees.
Hold by the rocks, Smudge. Yeah, you're hearing it. Take it as nothing, Bones.
No, nothing to report.
I'm gonna ask if we can load back up in that vehicle, so it's fuck walking all the way to below because of all this kit. And then you
Yeah.
just have a system.
Agreed.
I mean, I see we could do it, but it would just take so long and there's no real advantage to being dismounted.
Not really, no.
I mean, sure, we can return to fire quicker, but like, it takes us maybe 5 to 10 seconds to go from being in a vehicle, move into being out in infantry returning fire.
Yeah, yeah. I suppose the only problem is if they fire a RPG.
Yeah. I
Yeah, I
suppose,
think-
but I think when we're going this distance, I think it's still more worth being in a vehicle. So I'm gonna ask Duke if he gets to start moving again.
Yeah.
Do you actually know that truck was bad or not?
I thought I saw a civilian in
Yeah,
the
it
cockpit
was-
bit. I was gonna call off that line.
Thank you, Ben.
But
Ugly people inside it.
yeah, no, I was there. No. But I saw like it looked kind of like a civilian guy in it, and I was about to call off the line too.
Yeah, come back to us, Smudge.
Just to confirm,
Good, lad.
should load back up into the vehicles. We're gonna walk this one.
Green team, off we go back to where we were.
Yeah, red team's there, should start moving. Wait for the other sections to catch up. Lowered weapons, guys.
Red team moving.
Keep that pace. Blue team, keep moving, guys.
Contact front. Contact front.
Is that the infantry? Give us more info, Halley.
One contact, he's down. Possibly more off to the northwest of my position.
Roger, just keep trying to move, guys. Keep holding formation blue. Don't worry about me, I'm not actually a part of the formation.